But in this video, I'll be making you understand about trapezium and quadrilateral. Now, your next question will be, sir, trapezium is also a quadrilateral. Then why you are telling separately about quadrilateral? See, in my previous videos, I have made you understand about square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram and kite. In this video, I am making you understand about trapezium. If any of the figure does not matching with these 5 or 6 names which I said to you, then that figure I will be naming as quadrilateral. First, I will be telling you about trapezium. What is trapezium? All of you know about quadrilateral. An area covered by 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one of the pairs means what? 2 makes one pair. One of the pairs are parallel. Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one of the pairs are parallel. I need to find out the perimeter and area of trapezium and quadrilateral. The first, find it out. Perimeter. Suppose the name of this side is A. This side is not matching with this, so I am naming it as B. This side is not matching with this and this, C. Nothing is matching with each other. So this one is D. So what is perimeter? Sum of all the sides. So A plus B plus C plus D. Same thing applies here. A, B, C and D. Then you will be writing A plus B plus C plus D. Now I will be finding out area. What is the basic formula of area? Basic formula of area is perimeter of shape of base into perimeter of shape of height. Perimeter of shape of base into perimeter of shape of height. In these two figures, if you look at, then you will be finding there is a base in it. There is a base in it. There is a base in it. But where is the height? For height, I told you there has to be 90 degree. In this figure, where is the 90 degree? So what I need to do? I need to find it out in a different way. In this figure also, perimeter of shape of base, where is the base? There is no base and there is no height. So what I need to do? I have to divide these figures into triangles, into 2 triangles. So join these and join this. So how to find out area of this whole figure? So area of this whole figure is made up of what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC plus area. If I will be finding out the area of these 2 triangles and I'll be adding them up, then what I'll be finding? I'll be finding the area of this whole figure. The same thing applies here. If I'll be finding out the area of this figure and then both I'll be adding up, then I'll be finding out the area of this figure, whole total figure. I'll be applying the same thing. In ABC, BC is what? Base. In triangle ABC, don't look at this one. Don't look upper side. How to find out the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Half. What is base? In this case, base is BC. Base is BC into what is height? In ABC figure, there is no height. So what I need to do? I need to draw a height. Suppose AE. I have drawn a height AE. AE. I have drawn this plus. I have given plus. This area finished. Now I am finding out the area of ADC. Same logic. Half into base. What is the base of ADC? Don't look at this one. ADC. In this figure, these two lines are parallel. Parallel lines means what? They are maintaining equal distances throughout. They are maintaining equal distances throughout. They will never be meeting each other. That means AD and BC are parallel lines. So, opposite of BC is what? AD. If BC is base, if I'll be turning it like this, then AD will be at the bottom. AD will be at the bottom. So AD will become what? Base. What is height? I don't know the height in this case also. So the distance between these two lines will always be equal. Suppose this is CF. See, AE and CF both are same. Why? Because these two lines are maintaining equal distances, and whatever line will be there in between will be same, will be equal. So AE and CF both are what? Same. So what you can do? You need to write like this: BC into AE plus half into, in place of CF what you will be writing? AE. In place of CF, what you will be writing? AE. So half, what is common in between them? Half and AE is common. What is remaining? BC in this case plus AD in this case. So how does it look like? See, half into, what is AE? AE is height. AE is height. So what I'll be writing? Height. And what is BC? BC is one line and AD is another line. And these two lines are what? Parallel lines. So in place of this, what I'll be writing? Sum of parallel lines. Sum of parallel lines. So the area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel lines. You pause my video for a second and write it down. After that, I'll be rubbing this and I'll be starting this quadrilateral. Now come to quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, there is no base and there is no height. So what I have to do? I have to decide one line which has to be common to both of them as a base. One line which is common to both of them as base. So what in both of them, in these two triangles, are common? Tell me. I have made a diagonal. So what is common in both of them? In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, what is common? AC is common. In ABC, AC is there. In ADC, AC is there. So this one, I'll be treating it as base. So the area is equal to area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. What is the way of finding out? Half into base into height. In ABC, don't look at that side. In ABC, what I said, you will be treating it as base AC, which is common to both of them. So what I will be writing? AC. Base you have found out. Now you will be finding out height. In ABC, what is height? You don't know height also. So what you need to do? You have drawn one base. You need to draw height also. So you need to draw a height. BE. This is the height you have drawn. So half into base into height, you have found out the area of this. Now forget this. Plus is given in ADC. What is the base? I said to you, there is one line common in between both of the triangles. What is that? AC. AC is what? I'll be treating it as base. So half into AC. AC is base. Half into base into height. In this case also, I don't know the height. So what I'll be doing? I'll be drawing another height. What is that? DF. Now look at this. What is common? Half is common. AC is common. Half is common. AC is common. What is remaining? BE plus DF. Half. What is AC? AC is what? Diagonal. So diagonal of quadrilateral into what is BE and DF? BE is perpendicular on AC and DF is perpendicular on AC. So in between there is plus. So what you will be writing? Sum of heights on diagonal. Sum of heights on diagonal. This height I have made on diagonal. So this BE is made on diagonal AC. DF is made on diagonal AC. After adding both the heights, you will be writing this. So what is the formula? Half into diagonal of quadrilateral into sum of heights on quadrilateral. So I have found out perimeter and area of trapezium and quadrilateral.